Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Robux. To begin, understand that Robux is the virtual currency used within the popular Roblox platform. It's essential for purchasing items, game passes, and accessing exclusive experiences. We'll explore the most common and secure methods to acquire this digital currency, ensuring you can enhance your gaming adventures. Let's dive into the straightforward ways to add Robux to your account and unlock new possibilities. The most straightforward way to get Robux is by purchasing it directly from the official Roblox platform. You can buy various packs, with prices starting around $5 for 400 Robux. Opting for larger bundles such as 10,000 Robux typically offers a more favorable rate per Robux, giving you more for your money. This method is quick, secure, and instantly adds the currency to your account. Another excellent way to acquire Robux is through a Roblox Premium subscription. Premium members receive a set amount of Robux deposited into their account each month, depending on their chosen tier. Additionally, subscribers get a generous 10% bonus on any Robux they purchase directly. This membership also unlocks exclusive items, special discounts, and the ability to trade items, enhancing your overall Roblox experience significantly. For those with a creative flair, you can earn Robux by becoming a developer on the Roblox platform. By creating engaging games, you can sell game passes or access to your experiences, directly earning Robux from other players. Furthermore, designing and selling custom clothing, accessories, or other virtual items in the marketplace allows you to generate Robux from sales. It's a fantastic way to combine your passion with earning in-game currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.